If you can't add debit card to Apple Pay on iPhone, here's how you can fix. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off. Now, move on to the second method. Open Settings again, scroll down, and tap General. Then scroll down and select Language and Region. Tap Region and make sure the correct region is selected. If your iPhone is set to the wrong region, it may prevent your card from being added to Apple Wallet. For the last method, go back to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card. Then select Debit or Credit Card. Tap Continue, then choose Enter Card Details manually. Enter your card information carefully and correctly. These methods should help solve the problem. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.